everyone, welcome to day 2 of our London trip. I'm here with my mum. If you didn't watch my vlog previously, I am down here with my mum, and yesterday we just done a little walking tour around London, really, didn't we? And today we are heading to the Disney 100 exhibition at the ExCel London. Our hotel, the Ibis, is right next to the ExCel, so we've just got up, got ready, and we're going to get a Starbucks because there's a Starbucks next to it too. And we're going to meet up with some girls from Instagram. So excited!
Of a small real estate office in Hollywood, California. This was the small beginning of a family entertainment company that would create unforgettable stories, characters that become beloved friends, wondrous experiences, and music that has become the soundtrack of our lives. That young man was Walt Disney, a master storyteller whose imagination knew no bounds, and who delighted in making the impossible possible. Disney 100, the exhibition, is a journey through 100 years of Disney magic, presented in themed galleries based on Walt Disney's creative concepts and philosophies. These include storytelling, creating believable characters, the spirit of adventure and discovery, the magic of sound and music, the world around us, real and imagined, curiosity, imagination, and technological innovation, the worldwide wonder of the Disney parks, and an everlasting sense of optimism about the future. Walt Disney famously said that it was all started by a mouse, but it really was all started by Walt himself. His philosophies became the foundation of the Walt Disney Company. They still inspire Disney's artists, filmmakers, Imagineers, and the storytellers of today.
Oh boy! Oh, steady! Whoa! Hi, Mouseketeers! Well, we go again, so hang on. Everything goes. You ready? Then let the show begin! Here's my pal Walt to tell you how the magic is made.
There's a lot of satisfaction in developing ideas into reality. When we consider a new project, we really study it. Not just the surface idea, but everything about it. And when we go into that new project, we believe in it all the way. We have confidence in our ability to do it right, and we work hard to do the best possible job. There's really no secret about our approach. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors, doing new things, because we're curious. And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. We're always exploring and experimenting.
Everybody ready? Then on with the show!
160.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
I like what No problem. Not a problem.
Oh my goodness. What crumble did you pick?
Apple. We're sharing. Oh my god. I can taste it and I've not even had it yet. Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, thank you. Extra custard. Thank you so much. Oh, wow.
Enjoy.
Oh, thank
Oh my
you.
god, look at
Bye.
that.
So we've just done the Disney 100 exhibition. It was amazing. We both really enjoyed it. It was so good, wasn't it? We met up with Sarah, Poppy and Della, and then afterwards we went to like the Winter Wonderland. It was inside the ExCel. They were giving away free tickets at the end of the exhibition. So we had a wee look round there and we shared a crumbling custard. It was so good. We're just getting ready because we are heading to ABBA Voyage.
Yay!
This was my mum's Christmas present, ABBA Voyage, so I think we're going to get an Uber because there's currently train strikes. And you're not allowed to film inside, but I think you can film around, so I'll try and show some of it in this vlog. But we're just going to get our Uber now, and we're so excited for ABBA! So we just came in, there's a bar, and there's also a merchandise shop. There's also little stands with merchandise as well, but this is amazing in here, isn't it? Last night I never filmed very much because at ABBA Voyage, once you go into the arena, like into the actual stage, you can't film anything, but it was amazing. How good is ABBA Voyage?
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it.
They
It honestly felt like you were there and the people were there.
Yeah, they looked real. Like the technology is just incredible. We had such a good night. The alcohol was not expensive at all. Well, we wouldn't say it was expensive. We ordered a cider and a gin and tonic and it was about £13.50, and then you got 2 gins after and you were about £15. So I would say for London prices, I think that's really reasonable. You can arrive in the arena an hour and 45 minutes before your show starts, which we done. But I would say that if you're going during the winter, it is Baltic in the bar area. It's really cold. We found a little seat, like a bench, next to the toilets of all places. But once we sat down, it was fine. We just kept our jackets on. But there was a lot of people that were freezing cold because they'd arrived with just like sparkly dresses and like ABBA attire sort of outfits. And you could tell that they were freezing. But it was amazing. I would highly recommend it if you're coming to London. We really enjoyed it. We had a great night and we Ubered it there and back, so it was £11.60 something there, and then coming back it was the exact same price, and Uber was fantastic. It was about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Ibis where we're staying next to the ExCel. So when we got our Uber back, we went to the tapas restaurant that's just next to the ExCel called Tapa, and we shared some prawns, some bread with balsamic and olive oil, mushroom toast, and chicken wings as well. And we had a beer each and it was really nice. It was a nice atmosphere in there, wasn't it?
Beautiful, really good service.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it if you're staying near here or if you're coming to the ExCel for the 100 exhibition. I know it does finish at the end of January, or even if you're here for another event at the ExCel, it was definitely somewhere that I would recommend that you go. But thank you so much for watching this little vlog, and hopefully I shall see you in my next adventure. So thanks for watching. Bye!